Tired of your iPhone home screen looking like a rainbow threw up on it? Well, iOS 18 might let you change those pesky app icon colors. And here's how we think it'll work using the Shortcuts app first. Find and open the Shortcuts app. Once you're in the app, tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. On the new shortcut screen, tap the Add Action button. In the search bar, type Open App and then select the Open App action that appears. Now, tap the gray Choose button next to Open App in the shortcut workflow. A list of all your installed apps will appear. Scroll through the list and select the app whose icon you want to customize. Great! Now that app is selected. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen to access the shortcut details. Here, give your shortcut a name, something easy to remember then. Tap the icon to customize it. Now, you can choose whether to take a photo. Choose a photo or hopefully, in iOS 18, select an entirely new color for the icon. Select the new color-adjusted icon or the photo you want to use. Tap the share icon and find and tap Add to Home Screen. Tap Add in the top right corner to add the new icon to your home screen. And there you have it, a custom app icon. Stay tuned for updates when iOS 18 drops to see if Apple simplifies this process even further. Happy customizing!